Hi all, this is a 40, no not 40, this is a 52-inch Martec ceiling fan. It's got 3 metal blades, as you can see. Don't know what the model number is because the sticker's gone. Got 2 of these recently from, originally from Facebook Marketplace. My friend in Perth picked them up for me, James. Got 2 of these, a MCFA 48 that's labelled Wattmaster that I'll show in a later video, and some other stuff like Hunter Pacific, I think that was in there. I can't remember what was all in that hole, but 2 of these. They've been resprayed, not very well, but better than what I've seen. If you look closely at the blades, it's quite orange peely. I don't know if you'll be able to, you can't really pick it up on the motor as well. But they went the effort of masking the gold stripe and the nut, so it's got that, I guess. And they haven't painted the top, but they painted it, well, they actually have painted the canopies, but then they painted over the label, so it's not really the best job. But these will be some good fans if I ever get a bigger place. These will be some good fans to have in a garage or whatever. But go ahead and start it. I don't have original controllers for them. It's running on an SMC controller for a KA48. And it doesn't really give the best range of speeds. All the speeds are quite fast. And this fan's quite unbalanced, and I haven't been bothered to balance it because I don't care. I'm going to turn that off. Go ahead and stick it on medium-low. Again, this control doesn't really give the best range of speeds for it. Medium. Might have to turn that. Ooh, fuck. Might have to turn that heater back on. I just turned it off, but now I'm already cold. Go ahead and do medium, high, and then high. Not really a difference there. And high. Decent breeze, but you'd expect that for a metal bladed thing. Alright, we'll go ahead and turn it off and we'll do spin down. It's got quite a long spin down, which is good. Basically no bearing noise. Quite a long spin down. I didn't realise how long it was. Okay, thanks for watching.